Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm about to teach you how to download Emo on your mobile phone. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. So feel free to watch the video till the end. So Emo can be downloaded on your iPhone and Android. So I'm here doing on my iPhone. So firstly, you need to go to your App Store. Click on the search button and search for Emo. Search. So now here hit the get button. So it requires to verify your face ID. So after being it's being processed. So now go to your home page and search for Emo. So here is the Emo app. You can download this easy on your iPhone. So thank you for watching.